श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। नारायणीयं दशकं 11 सनकादि ऋषि's शापं to Jaya Vijaya. Dashakam 11 will be chanted in Vrittam Upajati. This Dashakam 11 also explains about the background for the first incarnation. Shloka 1. Hey Guruvayurappa, creation of beings were advancing in stages. Once Sanaka and others of divine nature reached Vaikunta to have a darshan of yours. Kramena sarge parivardhamane kadabi divya sanakadayaste bhavat vilokaya vikuntalokam प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकं प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश. श्लोका 2. They reached your abode after crossing many outer enclosures, which was incomparable with anything. It had enchanting and pleasing garden, Naishreyasakananam, innumerable lakes and palaces of yours, Krishna. Manogya Naishreyasakananadhyaihi अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वरा प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः मनोज्ञनैश्रेयसकाननाद्यैः अनेकवापि मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वरा प्रापुरतीतकक्ष्याः. Shloka 3. Sanakadi Munis and the others were keen to see you, but they were stopped at the entrance by the two gods, Jaya and Vijaya, on your order only. Their minds of the sages were filled with anger because they could not see you, Krishna, and angry on Jaya and Vijaya also. Bhavadidrikshon bhavanam vivikshon dvarthau jayastan vijayopya brindam tesham cha chitte padamapakopaha सर्वं भवत् प्रेरणयैव भूमन् भवद्दिदृक्षोन् भवनं विविक्षोन् द्वारस्थौ जयस्तान् विजयोऽप्यरुन्धाम् तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः सर्वं भवत् प्रेरणयैव भूमन्. The anger-filled sages cursed the gods that their actions were inappropriate in Vaikunta and they are of heartless nature. Therefore, they shall attain the Asura's stature. Thus, being cursed, the gods Jaya and Vijaya, who were dependent on you, prayed to the sages that they should always remember Hari even in their Ashura form. Vaikunthalokanuchita pracheshtau kashtau yuvam daityagatim bhajetam iti prashaptau bhavadashiyau tau harismritirnostvitine matustan. वैकुण्ठलोकानुचित प्रचेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम् इति प्रशप्तौ भवदाश्रियौ तौ हरस्मृतिर्नोस्त्विति नेमतुस्तान्. Shloka 5. Hey Ambujaksha, the lotus-eyed one, you became aware of this and came out along with Lakshmi and Garuda with your pretty arms around Garuda's shoulders to place the sages. तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरांस् अर्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयंस्तान् अभिराममूर्त्या. तदेतदाज्ञाय भवानवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्म्या बहिरम्बुजाक्ष खगेश्वरांस् अर्पितचारुबाहुः आनन्दयंस्तान् अभिराममूर्त्या. Shloka 6. Pleasing the sages who were singing songs in praise of you, you turned to your gods Jaya and Vijaya, who refused to accept any master other than you, Hari. You told them, both of you will, through the yoga of Samrambha, showing devotion through anger and pride, will ultimately reach me after 3 demonic births. Prasadhya girбhiस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथौ अथ पार्षदौ तौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यातकृपं न्यकादिः. प्रसाद्य गिर्भिस्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथौ अथ पार्षदौ तौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेतमित्यातकृपं न्यकादिः. Shloka 7. Now, the two gods Jaya and Vijaya were born in offspring to Maharishi Kashyapa and his wife Diti. They both, Jaya and Vijaya, were conceived at the inauspicious time of evening and were hence of cruel in nature. They were like 2 more Yamas, the gods of death. त्वदीय भृत्या वथ कश्यपात्तौ सुरारिवीरा उदितौ दितौ द्वौ संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. त्वदीय भृत्या वथ कश्यपात्तौ सुरारिवीरा उदितौ दितौ द्वौ संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. Shloka 8. They were called as Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. They completely lost their knowledge about you, Krishna, and were true to their Asura nature. They heartlessly crushed and ill-treated the world of yours. Guruvayurappa. Hiranyapurva kashipu kilaikaihi paro hiranyaksha iti pratitaha ubhau bhavannatham asheshalokam वृषाण्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्धौ. हिरण्यपूर्वकशिपुकिलैकैः परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः उभौ भवन्नाथम् अशेषलोकम् दृशान्युरुन्धां निजवासनान्धौ. Shloka 9. Among the two Rakshasas, Hiranyaksha, the mighty Asura, searched all over the world for an equal enemy. Not meeting any enemy worth challenging, he took Bhuma Devi, that is Earth, your beloved one, and drowned in ocean. In the vast ocean, he wandered roaring with pride. तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रो रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्. तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रो रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्. Shloka 10. Then Hiranyaksha heard from Varuna, the rain god, that you are the only matching challenge for him, and he roamed about in search of you. Hey Krishna, you are visible only to your devotees. So be gracious enough to me, your devotee, and eradicate all my diseases, Guruvayurappa. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयंस्त्वाम्. भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुतालयेश. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयंस्त्वाम्. भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुतालयेश. सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम्. गोविन्द गोविन्द. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.